Hello and welcome to Unfinished Furniture of Wilmington, your #1 source for all things solid wood furniture for inside your home. Today I want to go through and talk to you about glass tabletops on our existing table bases. We've had a lot of inquiries about this over the past few years, and I just want to go through and break down an easy way of getting a top component to go on our existing bases, so this way you can mount your existing glass tabletop. We have two bases in two different heights that would work in this scenario. Our Sierra base here, or we have our Paige Flair pedestal base. Both of them, from the manufacturer, when they sell their existing glass tabletop, they sell these assembled with this wood plate on top of this base. The manufacturer does not sell this disassembled, but what I want to go through and show you is two products that you can do to simply put together yourself with just a little bit of time and using a little bit of hardware, and they all have free shipping. So let me go through and explain. Now I've got our Sierra base upside down, and I want to show you exactly how the manufacturer mounts this particular wood plate to the top. They've basically gone through and put a metal plate, 2 screws going down, 2 screws going up. But we keep talking about this plate. It is actually the T-22 round tabletop. This we have on our site, and we will have a link to both of these products as well as the Paige Flair pedestal base on our website as well with this component. So let me just show you exactly what you're going to wind up getting inside the box for the tabletop. Put them side by side, you can kind of see that they are the same diameter. This is exactly the same as this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this apart, take that off, and show you that they're exactly the same thing. Again, just for illustration purposes, that's exactly the same piece. So now what do? You're going to have to take the base and then get metal brackets and have them lined up. I'll take this one apart to show you exactly what I mean. And these are our metal brackets right up over here. I will have a link to the website to where you can go through and get them. Amazon, so many other places do sell them. Literally, it is just a small 2-inch by about 1.5 inch metal plate, screws to go down in, screws to go up into the bottom of our tabletop. It's just that simple. Again, this component here from the manufacturer ships for free. The 22 round tabletop that I just took apart ships for free. The only way the manufacturer sells this is totally assembled. So if you're willing to go through and buy these metal brackets yourself and do the simple installation, you now have a table base that you can go through and put the wood tabletop on, and then be able to set up to a 48-inch diameter sheet of glass on it. Allows you to paint it or stain it and make it your own. Now you are 29¼ inches, perfect for a 3/4 inch glass tabletop. Again, you guys have asked, and I want to at least let you know how you can use your existing glass tabletop with our bases. I will have a link to everything provided below. Have any questions, you are always more than welcome to call us here at Unfinished Furniture of Wilmington. Thank you very much.